Hi, my name is Tom Phillips. I'm a shop foreman at Ascendance Truck Center. I want to talk to you a little bit today about fall services and stuff you should pay attention to for your maintenance. A lot of the things that we deal with are items that will freeze up. So anything like your air dryer filter is one of the big items. So another thing you might want to look into maintaining or checking would be your HVAC filters, wipers, washer fluid, general items. Another item that we pay attention to is your batteries. We can load test the batteries, make sure that they're good charge for the winter. Another item is your fuel water separator, also the fuel treatment. We sell many different varieties of fuel treatment, depending on your climate that you run in. It is good to check maintenance now while the season's still warm, so you don't have any issues breaking down during the winter seasons. If you want to schedule a service, you can reach us at www.ascendancetrucks.com.